Hi! In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate Adobe Sign with Lexzur for easy use of digital signatures in contracts. To begin the integration process, ensure you have a separate Adobe account and follow these steps. First, go to adobe.com and either sign into your existing Adobe account or create a new one. We will guide you through the process of creating a new Adobe account in this video. After logging into your Adobe account, you need to purchase Adobe Acrobat Sign, which facilitates digital signatures. Access the Apps menu by clicking on the box icon located in the top right corner of your Adobe account page. Then, select Acrobat Sign. Log into your Adobe account and navigate to the All Tools tab. Select the Adobe Acrobat Sign app and click to install it. You can choose to purchase the app or start a free trial. Enter your company information to create the Adobe Acrobat Sign account. Now within your Adobe Acrobat Sign account, navigate to the account and select API Applications from the right panel. Click on the plus icon to create a new API application in your Adobe Acrobat Sign account. Provide a name for your application to generate a set of credentials for use with Acrobat Sign's API. After creating the API application, select your app and click on Configure OAuth for application. Enter the redirect URI and specify the necessary scopes, including enabling the user login and other relevant read and write scopes. And set their modifier to self. Now, go to your Lexzur instance and click on System Settings, then Setup and Configuration. Select Adobe Sign Integration from the right panel and input the Adobe Sign Client ID and Adobe Sign Client Secret. Also, specify the data center regions. The Client ID and Client Secret can be obtained from the Adobe Acrobat Sign API application. Once you click on the app you created, click on View, Edit. This is where you can copy the client secret. The application ID on this page refers to the client ID. The client ID can also be obtained from the Configure OAuth page. With the Adobe Sign integration now complete, you can begin using it to sign contracts and documents. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.